name is Urs Stirnimann. I'm the director of Swiss ILC, a law firm in the United Arab Emirates. And what do? Well, we assist mostly foreigners who want to benefit from the advantages the UAE can offer. In the last few months, we have become aware of a new word, substance. And it has become a word which has been very important now for everybody. And where did it start? Well, it started in the European Union with the OECD, where they realized that some big companies like Costa Cafe, like Amazon, they make billions of profit, but pay very little tax, or no tax at all, because they're stationed somewhere in some jurisdiction with a very beneficial tax system. Well, the European Union decided not to continue that way, and they say, well, companies need to have substance in the form of offices, in the form of employees, and that the management is at the location of the company. And not to be discriminative, they have expanded that to any company. Whether it's a one-man shop, whether it's a big company, they need to have substance which is adequate to their activities. That means to need to have offices, employees, and the management at that location. As you can imagine, that is quite difficult in some jurisdictions, which are just small, which they don't have the infrastructure necessary for it. Therefore, companies look around and see whether it's possible to migrate to places which have the necessary infrastructure to accommodate thousands of companies and to provide all the necessary employees, and that they have offices available and that the management can peacefully live there. We will inform you about this at the next conference of Bosco, so that you get all the details, so that you have the base to make your decisions for the future. Well, see you then at the Bosco conference. Bye-bye.